Got Super Mario Party for the Switch yesterday. Anybody wants to come play, hit me up. Hey, my name's Cody. I hope you had a good weekend. Today I want to talk about the internet versus people. We live in such an interesting time. Like, we can ask the internet anything and learn anything that we want to know. But what if we didn't do that and we actually asked people? Before I get into this, I want to give credit to Austin Mann. He was on a podcast about 6 months ago called Animalators, and that's where I heard him talk about this. There isn't exactly a problem with getting answers from the internet. In fact, I think you'd be stupid not to take advantage of this amazing tool that we all have at our fingertips. But there's definitely an advantage to cutting some of that off and giving a portion of those questions to people in your networks and people that you look up to that will already know those answers. I believe everyone on this planet has an instinctual desire to be needed. When you're needed by a person or a community, you get this sense of significance. You find a purpose. And once you get this purpose, you start building a self-esteem. And you can even look at Maslow's hierarchy of needs and see that esteem is ranked in there as one of the most important key elements of life. In fact, lack of self-esteem is one of the leading causes of suicide. You already know all of this. The purpose of me saying this is just to remind you that you can fulfill that need to be needed for somebody by asking them questions. If you're anything like me, you might feel like you're inconveniencing people when you ask them questions. Like, you may stop and think, I don't want to annoy them, I don't want to pester them, they probably get questions all the time. Well, they might actually not get questions all the time because everybody has the internet. So you may genuinely start an amazing relationship with somebody because of this. And on top of that, it's a two-way road. They're not only helping you, you are going to get a great answer out of it, but you're also helping them by giving them the gratification of helping you. So give it a whirl. Ask your friends, family, role models, ask some people some questions and see what kind of result you get. I'd love to hear how it goes for you. It's been great for me in the last 6 months. It started so many really, really good conversations. I hope this was helpful. It's always great to do these videos. I really enjoy it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next Tuesday. Let's have a good week. See ya.